Hi folks, so just arriving to Nachi Falls here in Wakayama Prefecture in this World Heritage. Nachi Falls is the tallest non-interrupted waterfall in Japan, and it is 13 meters wide and 133 meters tall. Looks like it's a really nice path all the way down. It's a beautiful day right now, towards the end of May. Not too hot, not too cold, not too humid, just perfect. And it's a beautiful path going all the way down to the waterfall. Folks, it doesn't get any better than this. Wakayama Prefecture, absolutely gorgeous. Definitely a must-see site if you come to Japan. Wow, there you go, you can start seeing it. Wow, I could spend the entire day here just sitting here and enjoying. Hi, gozaimasu. Looks like you could get a picture taken. And of course, there's always a ghost ring. Wow, beautiful fire right here. Smells so good too. And there's a counter for your ghost rings. You can collect another stamp right there for something. Stamp rally for mobile phone. 6th season? Is that supposed to be 6th station, probably? And we're about to go ahead and walk up that trail, and it looks like there's a worship station over there, and you can see the waterfall up closer. I go ahead and continue walking up this trail. Looks like they have a couple little shrines and everything. Oh, looks like it's a good little hike up that way. Hi, Choco! Woo, look at this view. There you go, folks. Just go ahead and enjoy this for a few seconds. Wow. Yeah, so this the trail wraps around to this other side right here, to this other little shrine, and back to the waterfall. Yeah, overall it's not a horrible hike. A little slippery right here, so watch out for the type of shoes that you wear. Inoi desu ne. All right, so you just walked around the waterfall, so now we're going to go ahead and walk up this hill again and then go to a shrine that's over there at the top of the hill. Let's see how long of a hike it is. Yeah, it's a good workout. Whew, okay, it's not that bad. I'm just out of shape, folks. Don't worry about it. Ooh, okay. All right, let me catch my breath. And gotta make it to the other shrine. Which one is easier? So no, that is not all, folks. So other than the Kumano Nachi Taisha Grand Shrine is towards the left. So either you can drive or take the stairs. And we're not sure how long the stairs will take, but that's what we're about to attempt right now. All right, folks, that was rough. Walking all the way up those steps and making up to the pagoda. Not like you need to see a out of shape middle-aged man, but these are the results. Here's the pagoda in front of us, and it looks like you can walk up to the top and then from there see the waterfall. So let's go ahead and check that out real quick. Again, those steps were a little rough, but it's a little humid today in my defense. But yeah, definitely worth the hike. Okay, so you have to pay to get in, so go ahead and try to make it there so that Coco and I can go up together. There we go. We're at the top. Actually, we're on the second floor of the pagoda. The ocean is out that way. It's a little hard to see from here right now because of the little bit of haziness. Right up on the hill, there's another temple. Let's go ahead and walk through inside the pagoda, see what it looks like. It looks like they're building, either they're building another temple or fixing the roof on the temple over there. And that's that little cliff mountain that we walked up right there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and head on down here in a minute. Right outside the pagoda, they have this really beautiful pond. There's some koi fish in there, swimming around. This beautiful Japanese garden. Just walking by and looking at the bottom of the foundation of this temple. That woodwork, just impressive. Over there on the right, they're building a new temple, so there's a whole bunch of construction noise going on. There is a sacred tree right here where you can walk through it. But Choco and I were just discussing that we are probably a little too big for that, so we're not gonna attempt it. Oh, okay, so people are lining up here at the Tori gate, and you could go through it. There's the entrance right there. All right, folks, thanks for watching and putting up with my huffing and puffing as we're walking around in Nachi Falls today. This should conclude it for the day. There's a whole lot more to see, but I recommend that you go ahead and spend an entire day. So if you like what you see, please hit subscribe and follow us along as we continue traveling around Japan and our rural living and vacant house renovation while we are living in Japan. All right, thanks a lot. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.